I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Donut, the mini Bernedoodle. And in this video, we're gonna demonstrate basic handling exercises. Handling exercises are super important because they teach a puppy like Donut to trust us when our hands go to touch him or pick him up. First, I'm just gonna give Donut a couple treats to get him interested in what I have here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by just touching his body with both hands, saying YES, and then getting a treat out of my treat pouch behind my back and giving it to him. I'm gonna demonstrate touching Donut, saying YES, and then getting a treat from my treat pouch and giving it to him. And I'm gonna make everything that I do here totally random. Yes. 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 So the first week you have your puppy in your home, you should do this for 1 minute, at least twice a day. Just sit down with your puppy, do a bunch of touches and pets and grabs, say YES, and then feed your puppy a treat. And then we also want to practice collar grabs. Grabbing the collar, immediately letting go, saying YES, getting a treat, and giving it to the puppy, like this. Yes. 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 Teaching your puppy to be comfortable grabbing its collar is extremely important because later on, when we want to put our leash on our puppy, we need to be able to grab the collar to put the leash on it, or grab the harness to put the leash on it. And teaching a puppy to trust us when we go to grab the collar or harness now will be very valuable later on. Yes. 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 If you do handling exercises with your puppy regularly, it will be set up for success for vet visits and grooming. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. For more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.